Are you sure your thing is real? Many Nigerians think they have a valid thing, but most times it could be fake or inactive, and that can cause major problem with your business or tax. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you step by step how you can check the authenticity of your TIN, which is your tax identification number, how you can download it directly to your phone, and even how you can get your certificate sent safely to your email. By the end of this video, you will know how sure that your thing is valid and ready to use. So stick around because this is something every online vendor, every Facebook user, every content creator, every entrepreneur and business owners in Nigeria must know. Without much ado, let's proceed. Welcome to CAC Business Registration Nigeria. Philadrem 247. Right now, the next thing after you might have requested for your thing, which is the first step that you've done, what you need to do right now is for you to come right here to this portal and check if your thing has been generated. And how will you check it? I'm going to break it down in this video for you, so make sure you stay tuned and watch from the beginning of this video till the end for you to understand how to go about this. And secondly, the fast tracking way also, I'll be explaining details. So what you need to do is to go straight to your Chrome browser and type JTB, and it's going to show you JTB 10 registration. Click on that. Once you click on it, you click on the first link that pops up. It will take you straight down to this place. So listen, your own might not be looking like this simply because your phone might not be on desktop mode. So if your phone is not on desktop mode, it will not be showing like this. But if it's on desktop mode, it will be showing like this. Now, if yours is not showing like this and you want it to show like this, click on this three dots at your right hand side at the upper part of your phone. Click on it. It will take you here, then you scroll and click on desktop site. You can see I checked it. If I uncheck it, it will be showing like this. So which means I will need to scroll one after the other to get whatsoever I want to do right now on this portal. So here we have Joint Tax Board, TIN Verification Portal, TIN Registration Search Panel, verify your tax identification number. So here, if you want to verify your tax identification number, you come right down to this place and input your details. Your details in the sense that date of birth, if you are verifying your personal thing, and if what you want to verify is your business, you input the date of that particular business, the date they registered the business. You have it on that your business registration certificate. Input the business name there, then you input the business number. You can see if you click on that spot, it will show you NIN or BVN or CAC registration number. So any of these options that you want to go for, you are going to pick it and input that particular number correctly, and it will show you what you want to do. Once you are done with the inputting the correct details, you click on I am not a robot. So once you click on I am not a robot, it will load up and you will gain access to what you want. Then here it says individual taxpayer. How to verify tin information for individual. Select your date of birth, select search criteria, provide the appropriate search value, confirm you are not a robot. Then click the search button. That is what I just explained right now. Then for you to verify your non-individual taxpayer, select date of incorporation, which is for your company or NGOs. Select search criteria, provide the appropriate search value, then confirm you are not a robot. Click the search button. So right here, these are the details you need to input for you to verify your tax identification number. And what does it mean? For those who might not know what it means to verify it, for you to confirm if what you have is legit and correct, if it was actually registered directly from the joint tax board office for you. Because I can see many people are lamenting, why is my thing saying error, why is it saying it's not valid, is fake, or this and that. So that is why I said, okay, let me make this video. So once you watch this video, to guide you through, if anyone out there creates your thing for you and you want to verify if it's actually legit or it's a correct draw design stuff, just like the normal CAC that they are scamming most people with. So you are going to know from this particular verification portal. So what you need to do right now, we'll be imputing. I'll be using mine as example. So let's go. Impute your correct year. For you to pick the year, you come to this place. You have 2025. Click on it and scroll to where you need your years to check your years. Pick your year. Come down to this arrow and navigate to your months. Then you pick your day and it will fix. You can see my Friday, December 22nd, and the year is there. Then you click on set. Once you click on set, you've set that date of birth like that. Then the next thing is select search criteria. This search criteria means what do you want to, it's an individual thing. So I will be using my NIN. So the next thing is for you to input your NIN right in this spot. So you come here and input your NIN. Once you input the correct NIN, you check this box here, I am not a robot, and it will bring up this search bar. You click on search and it will also load up. You can see it says tin verification successful. Now if after you might have imputed all your necessary details and yours is not showing tin verification successful, it's two-way thing. You might have done a mistake somewhere while you want to verify, or your thing has not been generated. As I explained earlier in the first video, what you learned about was how to request for it. That is the process of you registering. That is the request process. After you've done this, and then after 2 or 3 days or 1 week or even 2 weeks, even some people it takes 1 month, and some people they don't even see it at all. You come here and check your verification to verify if it has been generated for you and it's showing error, and what you are seeing instead of seeing verification successful in green color is red color, meaning it has not been generated. You can try it 2 or 3 times to be sure if it has been generated, and you will see it in green. Then if it's not showing in green, it simply means your thing has not been generated for you. You just have that request ID, which means you have requested for it. Now this takes us to the fast tracking way. The only situation and the only way you can get it in this situation is to fast track. Now the fast tracking means you either going to the tax office that is closer to you to get it done for you. Yes, you will go there with your request ID and they are going to do it for you there. Then another way you can also fast track is either you reach out to me and I am going to get it done for you in less than 24 hours. You are going to get it. And the fast tracking, if I am to do it for you, it's not free. Yes, I want us to know this. So these are the main ways you can get your tax identification. Either you generate it by yourself, or it is being generated for you, or being fast tracked for you. So that is how you can get your thing. Right now I'm going to show us the other details on how you can get your thing into your email and get it into your phone. So if you've watched this video to this extent and you are yet to like it, kindly smash on that like button and don't forget to also subscribe. When you like this video, YouTube will push it to others for them to also benefit, and also share to family and friends who might have tried to generate their thing and are yet to get it to them. So feel free to reach out to me using the group or the link in the description. Thank you, and let's continue. And down here you'll be seeing your details, your thing details. Then the next thing you need to do is to input your email. Enter the email that you want them to send this tax identification number to for you. So once you click on that, you click on send email and it will show you result will be sent to blah 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 blah, and they will send that result to that particular email that you have submitted. You can see your name is there. Certificate sent to the certificate has been sent to the email that you drop right here. So this is how you can verify your tax identification number using either your NIN, your BVN, or your TIN number itself. And if you can't find it here, it means your thing wasn't done properly. I hope you get this. So that is how you verify your thing. And you can also download it by clicking this download button. And it will download to your phone. If we click on it, you are going to see that it's going to show us our tax identification certificate. You can see that. So that is our thing right there. We just verified it and make sure it's legit and correct, and we just get it right to our phone and our email. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, click the subscribe button, and make sure to share with family and friends who also might want to verify or to get their tax identification certificates. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.